All right, looking at the Edwards home here, just wanted to walk through real quick what we're looking at. So it is a stained cedar sided home, so we'd be looking at refreshing it. Gonna go with something very similar as far as color goes, some kind of cedar tone. The balcony does not need to be touched, but the siding and the eaves and fascia would be redone. So you'd be looking at all of areas like this, and it's kind of hard to see on the video, but it's going to need a good wash. You do have some graying out of the siding, but overall in pretty good shape, just needs to be cleaned up. There are varying areas where you've got wood repair, so siding pieces. These two are a specific example. These two boards the homeowner would like replaced. So boards like that, there's probably 10 to 12 total that we looked at. Underneath this board is another one. Right there, you can see where it's kind of got pieces missing out of it. So there'll be very varying degrees of boards that need replaced as we walk around. But on the left side of the home, you've got more siding here. This is kind of the area that the homeowner likes the color, so we would try to match that. And then you've got over here more of the siding. You've got the upper areas over here, which you can see these are a little bit more grayed out, have a little bit more algae growth on them. Same thing with this dormer right here, a little bit more of that algae growth. Nothing with the doors. Doors are fine. Garage doors are fine. It's really just the trim, cedar around the house, the trim and the siding there. So then go around back. You've got this here. This section, you've got some carpenter bee damage in varying places. So just wanted to highlight that. Nothing that we would do with that unless you wanted us to put wood putty in those. It's going to stain differently than the actual wood, so I just wanted to make a note of that. But you've got this large section of siding here. You've got along the back here, you've got more siding on this side as well. You've got a dormer up there. You've got a little bit more siding up here, and then on that upper level. So, and then you've got various boards on this back that need to be replaced as well. So you've got stuff like that right there. You've got areas that have been spray foamed just to protect the inner frame, but then you've got areas like that, boards like that need to be replaced. So again, you're probably looking at around 10-ish boards that need to be replaced, but I'll give you a per price board just so you can know what you'd be looking at depending on how many you ended up replacing. Like I said, here's some more areas that need to be washed really well. You can see some of the carpenter bee damage, but that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to help any way that I can, but I'll get this quote over to you here later today. Thank you.